There may be infinitely many numbers that satisfy an inequality, which can all be shown on a number line. We're going to solve and graph the inequality. 6 times the quantity of 7 minus 2p is greater than 12. We'll first need to distribute the 6 through to the 7 and the negative 2, which is still greater than 12. When we multiply, we have 42 minus 12p. Our goal is to ultimately get p by itself, so we'll have to subtract 42 from both sides. When I subtract 42 from both sides, I have negative 12p is greater than negative 30. To divide, to get p by itself, we'll have negative 12p divided by negative 12 is greater than negative 30 divided by negative 12. Notice that we're dividing by a negative. This will ultimately change and flip the sign of our inequality. So because I'm dividing by a negative, I'm going to flip my inequality from greater than to less than. And 30 divided by 12 is 2.5. On our number line, I can place 2.5 using an open circle because we have less than, and we want values that are less than 2.5, which means that our arrow needs to point to the left. Jerry has $100 in the bank and deposits $18 per month. Ashley has $145 in the bank and deposits $15 per month. How many months will Ashley have a larger bank account than Jerry? Let's write and solve an inequality for the situation and then graph on a number line. On the left-hand side, I'm going to have what Jerry has in his account, $100 plus $18 per month. So I'm going to let X represent the amount of months. We want Ashley to have the bigger balance. So Jerry's value is less than Ashley's value, or Ashley is greater than Jerry's value. Ashley will be on the right-hand side with $145 plus $15 per month, where X is still representing the number of months. Let's just see what X is worth. We'll first start by subtracting 100 from both sides, giving me 18X is less than 45 plus 15X. Let's combine our x's by subtracting 15x from both sides. This then gives us 3x less than 45. We'll divide each side by 3 so that x is less than 15. So the number of months has to be less than 15 to represent the number of months which Ashley will have a larger bank account. So she will have the larger bank account for up to 14 months and some odd days because we don't have the equal to sign, so it has to be less than 15. So we will put our marker at 15 with an open circle, and any value below 15 will represent the amount of money that Ashley will have in her account that is larger than Jerry. And your homework is to print the homework file included in the practice problems. Complete as outlined within the homework pages. Please take care to show all of your work. Scan and upload your documents back into our practice problems Dropbox. Until next time.